Hi, Dave here. So a number of people have been asking all about my rig and my equipment and all sorts of stuff. So I've done this short video just to show you my rig when I'm racing, what I'm doing, just to give you an idea of the sort of equipment I have and maybe see how it compares to what you're running. Anyway, here it is. So as you can see, I've got quite a bright room, nice orange wall to keep me wide awake. So into a little bit of Lego. My wife likes Lego. You can see a nice Ducati there and a Land Rover on top. And this is the rig. So it's a Track Racer TR160, which I've had for a number of years. Very, very solid rig. Very happy with it. I've got a 42-inch color monitor, and I think it's a 27 or something Dell monitor above. You can see my Deity microphone on the left there, and my headphones, I use Razer headphones as well. This is the back, so you can see where the PC is on the rig itself, so it's really helpful. It's all together. Wiring's a little bit of a mess, but yeah, I try and keep it tidy, but it's definitely better having it on the back like that. So this is what it looks like from the front. You can see my Simagic wheel there. So I've got a little mouse down on my left so I can do all my editing. So I do the racing on here and do my editing as well. I've got my microphone, my Deity microphone, my Razer headphones, and my wireless keyboard, which I can use when I'm racing, and then my Logitech webcam, which is what you see me on when I'm racing as well. Next up, we've got my Stream Deck. I think this is great. I used it as a button box when I was racing ACC. Now I use it pretty much just to launch various programs. Find it great. The next thing is the GT4 wheel from Simagic. Really like this. I do want to get a round wheel, I think, for ovals, but for most of my racing, I find this great. And I've got an Alpha Mini, which you can just see sort of peeping out from behind. Got a little fan there for when it gets a little bit hot and I get a bit agitated when I'm racing, which I find quite useful, and everything's sort of pretty much in easy reach. And there's the keyboard that I have on the side. I've had the batteries in this for like 2 years, so it's lasted pretty well. I think one day I might get one a little bit more colourful and a bit more with it. Husingveld Sprints, they're fantastic. I love these pedals. I bought them secondhand from Dave Cam a number of years ago. I've put them in. I mean, they're a bit messy there, but I've done zero maintenance. They just work. That's all I had to do, put them in, zero maintenance, they just work. Here's the seat, it's got a slider on it. I've got the rally seat rather than the GT seat. I find that the wings at the back are a little bit better. That's my little cat doorstop there. So that's my rig. Hope you enjoyed that tour. As and when I get any more new equipment, maybe I'll do another one. But for now, I'm not planning to do any upgrades. I guess PC is probably the next thing I want to do. But until then, here's my rig.